Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter garlic rice, updated. Start by rinsing rice thoroughly and measure water precisely. Melt butter and gently sauté minced garlic until fragrant but not browned. Add rice to toast for 1 to 2 minutes, then pour in measured water and season with salt. Cover and simmer on low heat until water is absorbed and rice is tender, then fluff with a fork and serve warm. Gather ingredients before you start cooking to save time and stay relaxed. Measure rice and water, and finely mince garlic so it releases flavor quickly. Preheat your pan and melt butter gently to avoid burning the garlic. Toasting the rice briefly in butter seals in flavor and helps grains stay separate. Keep a lid handy to maintain steam during simmering for consistent texture and even cooking throughout the pot. Use a gentle simmer once the water starts boiling and avoid stirring to keep rice fluffy. Lower heat to maintain a subtle bubble and set a timer so you don't overcook. If you prefer a richer taste, finish with a small pat of cold butter and fold it in gently. Resting the rice covered for several minutes lets residual steam finish the job, giving you tender, separate grains every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.